Magandang umaga sa lahat. I'm Aris at andito ko ngayon kasama si Marika para sa isang maikling interview about sa kanyang bagong paparating na palabas na Who Killed Grace.
Hi everyone!
So tell us, ano ang naranasan mo or ano ang naramdaman mo habang nagsushooting kayo para sa show na ito?
It was amazing to work with everyone in the cast. We're still here. And it was so much fun. Everyone had such an amazing vibe. They were so kind. They were so sweet. And I had such a fun time. We all had such a good time.
I like your answer. Naipapakita ng lahat sa cast ay napaka-cooperative. This leads to a great upcoming show na gustong panoorin ng lahat. Gusto ko rin malaman sa iyo ang sagot sa tanong na ito. From the character that you played sa show na ito, anong katangian na i-share mo sa kanila?
Well, I think for me, I share a lot of the same characteristics with my character. We're both matapang, I guess you can say. And we're also the same kind of person na, you know those people who like, pag may iniisip sila, they're just gonna say it out loud. They don't care about what other people think. I think we have the same characteristic about those things actually, because sometimes I tend to make people uncomfortable because of saying what I actually think, and it's not my intention, but I mean, it helps people for character development, so I think it's quite fine. And another thing, we both love solving crimes. You know those things that you can buy off online, the crime case? I love doing those things with my friends, and I really enjoy it. So, I think we do share a lot of we share a lot of the same characteristics.
Oh, so mahilig ka rin mag-solve ng bagay tungkol sa mga crimes. Talaga na ay excited akong makita ang mga bagay na gagawin nyo inyong mga character sa inyong show.
It was so amazing to work with everyone in this cast. It was so awesome. It had, like what I said earlier, they had such an amazing vibe. They were so kind, they were so sweet, and it's really awesome. And I hope walang madi-disappoint sa inyo habang pinapanood nyo tong show na to. We all had fun. I mean, I hope you guys won't be disappointed. I hope you guys have fun while watching it. I mean, we all had fun filming it, so yeah, that is all I would like to say. And again, thank you so much for inviting me to this interview.
I agree what you said. At iyon lang ang para dito ngayon. Everyone stay tuned para release ang kanilang paparating na palabas na Who Killed Grace.
Magandang gabi po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Puspusan ang paghanda ng mga otoridad para sa bagyong Odette.
Naka-full alert na ang Coast Guard. Pinaliligas na ang mga nasa coastal community sa mga lugar na maaaring daanan ng bagyo.
Ilang rehiyon na rin ang pinagkansela ng land travel. Sabi ng NDRRMC, nasa 10,000 barangay na nasa mga lugar na posibleng tamaan ng bagyo ang pinaghanda.
Sa Southern Leyte, natuklap ang mga bubong ng mga kabahayan at may mga barkong sumadsad. Tunghayan natin sa pag-ulat, Miss Cassandra.
Mga ka-news, maging I am ready po sa masungit na panahon na dala ng bagyong Odette. Itinaas ngayon ng Pag-asa ang public storm warning signal number 2 dyan sa mga probinsya ng Batanes, Cagayan, kasama ang isa ng mga Calayan at Babuyan at sa Abayao. Habang nasa signal number 1 naman ang mga probinsya ng Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Abra, Kalinga at Isabela. Huling namataan ng Pag-asa ang mata ng bagyo sa layo 550 kilometers dyan sa may silangan ng Tugigaraw kaninang alas 6 ng gabi. Lumakas pa ang hangin nito sa 160 kilometers per hour near the center at bugsong 195 kilometers per hour. Nanatili naman ang gale warning ng Pag-asa dyan sa mga dagat sakop ang eastern seaboard of Central Luzon, maging sa eastern seaboard of Visayas, at maging sa dagat sakop ang Occidental Mindoro at Palawan. Pinapayuan ang mga mangingisda at may mga maliliit na sasakyan pang dagat na iwasan muna pumalaot dahil magiging masungit ang kondisyon ng karagatan. At yan ang aking ulat panahon. Ako po si Cassandra Tagaraw para sa I Am Ready Serbisyong Totoo ng SMA News.
Salamat, Miss Cassandra. At dyan po nagtatapos ang aming news report. Ako po si Nachika, nag-uulat.